analyzing the requirement, and then after the analyzing the requirement, architect shifted the focus to dev AI. Dev AI started analyzing the requirement and built it completely. And I used index.html, I mean, only three files: index.html, style, CSS, and app.js. So these three files are created automatically in the workspace here as workspace folder, which I have mentioned here. So once it is created, what I did was I copied it to a folder so that I can see it. So what it delivered, it you can see, right? It is clearly told that it has delivered the payroll, employee salary, functionality, integration. So you will be surprised to see that what kind of delivery it is. I mean, I have given only small instruction, but it has taken all things into consideration and it created within a minute. Within a minute, it has completed the entire process, and it has currently did not make the UPI integration. It has created the simulation, but it has not created the actual integration. It has clearly stated that the real integration will happen at line number 120 pay employee method. You need to modify it. So we need to modify it to make it work with Razorpay or PayU. So we need to modify that in order to make it a actual UPI integration. But currently it has created the solution. Let's see what it has developed. So as you can see, this is what it has developed, and we can see in here, you can see right now it has created some dummy data: Neo, Trinity, Morpheus. So it has created three employees automatically, and it has given some wages to it, and then the UPI ID, total salary, and what is the status of the salary, whether it is paid or unpending, all those things. So it is looks cool. Now let's try to delete this. Let's say I want to delete this. Look at this. It is deleting, guys. And I want to add a new employee. I can just say this 40, 50, 15. Okay, and again create employee. That's it. It has created a 2000. It has automatically calculated the hours based salary, $2000 pending, and it needs to be paid. So what else we can do with this? We can just say pay all salary. It is processing the request, and it said paid. Okay, it has paid. So one of the key things is this is not paid. This is just it does not integrated with the real system, real API, but you can see how it works. It just created a dummy data, and then if you want you can pay it, and then if you want to export this into CSV, it has generated this option also, so which is good. So if you want to open this, let's see the report. Let's see the CSV file and see what it has generated. Okay, 40 hours, $50, and it has paid. Super indeed, which is critical. So it has created an app called CyberPay version 2.1, and it has generated this application for you. Very simple but easy to understand. All we can do is we can add some more employees also. We can add some more employees. You can say Create employee. So it has created it. Now I can just click play all salary. It is processing. You can see it is highlighting and it is paid. Super. So it's a very simple application through a payroll application which is built with AI, which was developed through AI. I actually created it with the help of AI only. And the Jarvis browser, using the AI model it has, Open Router AI model, it has created an application which looks cool indeed. If we want to further update this, we can do that. Thank you everyone.